So you want to move something instantly. That's where set actor location comes in. It teleports an actor to a new XYZ location. First of all, how to get it? Type in set actor location and you can see it here, set actor location. Now I will just connect it to event begin play like this, and let's just make it a variable, let's promote it to variable, and I will just disconnect it for 1 sec. And what I will do here is make an array, and I will give you the exact reason why I'm doing it. So yeah, we just made it an array, and what I will do is get, and let's get a reference and just connect it. So why I did it? I did it because I want to move it in different location based on a delay. For this tutorial purpose, you can use it any way you like. So I'm going to add a delay here, and I will just set this location, and then we will add again a delay, and yeah, and then we will just continue a delay again, and we will make a beautiful loop. I mean, it doesn't look as beautiful as I'd say, but it is what it is. So yeah, so here we are with three location to set, and I will just set the number. And what this node will do is actually it's going to move the thing instantly. And to give you a good example, I will just type teleport swipe, and what have we told? Actually select one of these. So best example is to show it like this. Now to get a better visualization, what I will do is I will add a static mesh. For example, I will just add a cube here, and this is the cube I'm adding. And now we need is locations. So yeah, it's saying we don't have value. Yeah, of course we don't. So I'm gonna add three value into it, and yeah, let's get the location. This is the first location. I'm gonna be copying it and using it. Then I'm gonna put it there, and we are just gonna paste it here. And for the last value, what I will do is I will send it there. So yeah, I just get it. Now as we compile, it should move in between all these three locations, and you can see how it's work, but it's a bit too fast. So let's increase the delay. I will put a delay of 1 second into each like this. Yeah, and where it is, yeah, here it is. So 1 second. Now what it's supposed to do is it will teleport to this location, from this location to this location actually, and it will sweep to this location, and it will do whatever it is default to do in this location. I mean, it's the third position to be exact. Now we compile, and I will press play, and we will give a top view. You can see it very clear that it is just teleporting. You can see it. It's super clear. So now you know how to use this node and teleport anything. You can either sweep or teleport. You can see the difference very clearly. If you can't, I mean, YouTube just kill the frame rates, then no worries, you can try it on your own. And you will see there is a quite difference between all these things. Now, it is actually very great for teleporting player, moving pickups, or debugging purposes. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.